Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Fritz-Flop puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latussek from Germany and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. The Fritz-Flop puzzle was made from Dunny birch wood. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all parts inside the frame in such a way that there will be no sticking out parts. Like you can see right now, there is one voxel that sticks out. The correct assembling will be when all parts are inside of the frame. The Fritz-Flop puzzle has only 5 parts, but it is quite a difficult puzzle. The shipping assembling is actually quite tricky. Usually Dr. Volker Latussek pays a lot of attention to even small details, and to remove the initial assembling from the box will be a little challenge which you have to solve. And if you find the correct solution of the puzzle, how to put everything inside, and you want an extra challenge, try to assemble all parts back inside the frame into the shipping position. Now, as you can see, there are 5 parts inside the box, but the box is quite unusual, since as you can see it is divided into probably 2 halves. One is blocked but another one is open, and it is not 2 voxels wide, it is kind of 1 with a half voxel. So that means that you can easily fit this L-shaped piece inside like that, but if you want to put it inside flat, you won't be able to do so. The only way is to kind of rotate it and stick it inside. But when there are other parts inside of the box, it will be almost impossible to fit it inside. So you have to find the correct assembling, how you can put parts inside the box, and then you have to find a way how to put all these parts inside the box, since it will be even more challenging than to find the correct assembling. If you like the Fritz-Flop puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already bought this puzzle and you don't know how to solve it, keep watching the video, since I'm going to show you the solution. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So you start with this L-shaped piece, you put it inside and to the left. Then you grab this small part. It is not actually small, but it is a straight 3 voxel part. You put it here. Then you grab this piece. And what you have to do is to put it inside like that. But now, as you can see, you won't be able to move it anywhere else. So what you have to do is hold this piece, flip the box, the L-shaped part will go 1 step down, then you tilt the box this direction so that the 3 voxel piece will go under the L-shaped piece. And now we have just 2 parts left. You put this small piece here, and this square piece goes here, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, the solution isn't difficult, but some tricky rotation and some tricky moves are making this puzzle quite a challenge. To complete the solution, we have to remove the parts inside. First you remove these 2, then you grab this part, move it to the left, up, then tilt the box to the right. The 3 voxel piece will move under this part. The L-shaped piece already dropped down. Now you can rotate this part, remove it, and now it will be easy to remove the rest of the parts, including the L-shaped piece. And the puzzle is solved. That was the Fritz-Flop puzzle. If you enjoyed solving this puzzle, you can try some other amazing puzzles from the Flop series designed by Dr. Volker Latussek. You can find them at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.